Can you imagine a day when driver's ed takes place almost entirely inside a simulator? Because that's the idea that's being pitched by VR Motion here at CES. VR Motion is a Portland-based company that was co-created by professional racing driver Dominic Dobson. And the idea is that anyone can come here and practice on a simulator that will give them an accurate representation of what the real world, or more appropriately, real roads, are like. This system can be customized from high school driver's ed all the way through to the most elite military and police drivers, and is currently being tested by Oregon's PD for their elite driver unit. A system like this is available to buy for about $100,000, but to be fair, that's cheaper than if you wanted to go and buy your own driving school. Now, I've just got off this machine, and put it this way, it does feel like a real car. You can tell you're in a simulation, but it's a great way to practice, and I was very happy that my dad driving meant that I didn't knock over any of the cones, which probably means I'm allowed to race NASCAR in the US. I think is that the bar? I think that's the bar. So I'm feeling very confident about that. And if you want to learn all about this and all of the other amazing things that are coming out here at CES, check out all of the information on Engadget.com.